the liquid will shoot out. It won't be good. So it's gonna burn a little bit under the plate now. See if I could get it to come out.
That one's kind of cool.